The following is a Python program to find smallest number in a list. First, we'll need a list, so L equals a list with 3, 1, 2, and 5. First, we'll do the dead simple approach. Smallest equals min of L. If we print smallest and run the code, you'll see the smallest number in L was 1. Next, let's do it for real. Smallest equals L sub 0. For I, v in enumerate of L, if L sub I less than smallest, meaning we find a new smallest number, then the smallest equals L sub I, meaning we replace it. If we run this code, we'll again see that the smallest number in L was 1. The following is a Python program to find largest number in a list. First, we'll need a list, so L equals a list with 3, 1, 2, and 5. First, we'll do the dead simple approach. Largest equals max of L. If we print largest and run the code, you'll see the largest number in L was 5. Next, let's do it for real. Largest equals L sub 0. For a number in L, if number greater than largest, meaning we find a new largest number, then largest equals number, meaning we replace it. If we run this code, we'll again see that the largest number in L was 5. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.